Together we've endured many storms, and together we'll rebuild. That's why Reed Nissan Orlando and Reed Nissan Clermont are offering hurricane relief assistance to all of those affected by Hurricane Irma. As part of the Central Florida family, Reed wants to make sure you have a vehicle that's safe on the road. That's why we're offering special recovery financing, 0% APR, and post-Irma price reductions on all new and used Nissans in stock. The storm is over, but our community will move forward because all roads lead to Reed Nissan. West Colonial Drive, Orlando, State Highway 50, Clermont.